Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vareishang Tangpu, Assistant Professor in Zoology at RIE Mysuru. Dear children, in this video, I would like to present to you about a snake charmer's story. The objective of these presentations are: number 1, to understand who a snake charmer is; number 2, to identify poisonous snakes of India; number 3, to analyze the government laws for protection of snakes; and number 4, to find out the symptoms and the first aid for snake bites. It is also my intention to present to you, dear children, the very scientific basis of handling snakes, getting familiarized with various types of snakes found in India, so that we should not be scared of snakes, but we should take necessary steps to protect them. I have planned to present this chapter of Snake Charmer's story into 4 segments. The first segment will talk about who is a snake charmer and what are the misconceptions we have about snakes. In the second segment, I will show you the different types of snakes found in India as a specimen. In the third segment, it is an interesting interview with the famous snake charmer of Mysuru. And the fourth segment will cover the various government laws about protecting snakes and what is the first aid when a snake bites. Now, let us start with the first segment, who is a snake charmer?
Snake charming is very popular in India and it attracts many tourists. Snake charmers work with different types of snakes. Not all snakes are poisonous, but still very dangerous. For example, python is a non-poisonous snake, but it is a very dangerous snake, for its strength can strangle human. A snake charmer is a person who risks his life by catching snakes like cobra, hypnotizing them, and performing dangerous dances. Snake charmers are known by different names, such as Sapera in Hindi, Havadiga in Kannada, Pambati in Malayalam, and so on. Snake charmer is a well-known person in Mysore who catches snakes and protects them by releasing in the wild. The snake charming represents a hero who can control the snake. The act consists of taking out a snake, like cobra, from a box and playing the flute. The snake, in a state of hypnosis, starts dancing from one side to the other side. The instrument used by snake charmers are also known by different names like bean, pungi, bansuri, and so on. For a couple of minutes, the man and the snake seem to be connected in a very ancient, intricate dance well known as Kalbelia, but the snake can't hear anything. Snakes do not have ears, thus they cannot hear. Most people do not know that, but snake charmers use the pipe or a flute. What the snake sees is simply something which is menacing above him, which is swaying. The snake's attention is focused just on the swaying object and moves along with that. So, it appears to the people that the snake is actually dancing to the tune of his pipe or the flute. Snakes have scales, so they are scaly but not scary animals. Snakes are creeping animals which always want to live in human dwellings. But it is humans who avoid snakes living nearby. Snakes don't attack humans, for they know well that humans are too big as food for them. So, they attack other smaller animals for food. Snakes have scales covering their body for protection. So, they are scaly animals and not to be scared because they will not attack us.